Hi, I'm attorney Matt Fendon. A question that I get often from potential clients is, what is the difference between workers' compensation and personal injury? It's a great question. It's a valid question. So typically, if you're hurt on the job and your employer has workers' comp insurance, your sole remedy against your employer is going to be workers' compensation. Even though your employer may have been negligent or grossly negligent, the sole remedy will be workers' compensation benefits. With workers' compensation benefits, you receive medical benefits, you receive wage replacement as you recover, and if the injury is bad enough, you may be eligible for permanent disability benefits. Again, workers' compensation is the exclusive remedy against your employer if you're hurt on the job and they have workers' compensation insurance, okay? You cannot sue your employer if you're hurt on the job and they have workers' compensation insurance. The other thing that we're going to discuss is personal injury cases. Technically, if you're hurt on the job and your employer has workers' comp insurance, as we've discussed, your sole remedy is workers' comp. However, if your employer does not have workers' compensation insurance and they were negligent at all, even if it's 1%, you can sue them for personal injury. So again, it's illegal to not have workers' compensation benefits here in Arizona. If you have employees, you got to have workers' compensation insurance. If you don't, you can sue your employer in personal injury, aka tort. The other circumstance that we see that comes up regularly is if somebody drives for work. If your job involves driving and you're injured on the job, but it's caused by somebody else that doesn't work for your employer, aka a negligent driver, you can get workers' compensation benefits, and you can also file a lawsuit against that driver in tort. So you may end up with two lawyers. You may end up with Matt Fendon Law Group representing you for the workers' comp aspect, and then a personal injury lawyer or law firm that we can certainly refer you to go against the negligent driver. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, if you have a construction accident, you work on a construction site, and let's say that the general contractor or another subcontractor was negligent, you'll have a workers' comp claim against your employer, and you also may have a claim for tort or personal injury against another subcontractor or the general contractor. There's multiple scenarios where this can come up, so please call us for a free in-depth consultation. I'm glad to advise you of your rights. We have offices statewide throughout Arizona. You can reach us on the web at fendonlaw.net, or you can contact us at 1-800-229-3880. Thanks and have a great day.